Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 02 of the video lecture series Circle. In the fun class number 01 we introduce circle and various forms of the circles which are very important. So important was the shifted circle and the general form of the circle. वो दो तो भाई एकदम बढ़िया है, एकदम important है, सबसे important है वो दो forms. Okay. So if you have not seen those video, please go through that, then only come to this fun class number 02. Okay, so in this video we'll be starting the most confusing part of the circle. Most of the students find this part is most confusing because in the reference books or whatever जो भी आप books और notes पढ़ रहे हो उसमें ना ये वाला जो part है directly they give the formulas. But don't worry, we'll be looking at the concept. With the help of concepts, you will be remembering formulas like चुटकी. एखादा छोटा सा चुटकी में आपको फॉर्मूलेज रट दूंगा मैं आपको. ठीक है, कंसेप्ट है, रटना नहीं है. डेफिनेटली वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू रट्टा, कंसेप्ट पे फोकस करने वाले हम लोग. ओके, सो definitely in this video I'll be starting with this intercepts made by a circle, one of the most important part as far as your exam is concerned. So let's see what are the shortcut tricks and the easy concepts behind this. So in total in these intercepts we'll be having 6 cases. So the first case is when your circle is passing through origin. See, this is a 0 comma 0, you're definitely. So what will be the equation of these type of circles? Circle is passing through origin and these are the intercepts made by the circle. Second case is what? When your circle touching to the abscissa, x-axis, what is the equation of this circle? Third case, when your circle is touching to ordinate y-axis with the center, the shifted circle of course. So case 4 is what? When the circle is touching both axes, abscissa as well as ordinate. Fifth one is center is lying on the abscissa and circle is passing through origin. Next one is center is lying on the ordinate and circle is passing through origin. So these are the only 6 cases you have for your exam. एग्जाम में नहीं है, आपके सर्कल में पूरा ये 6 ही केसेस है. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट व्हाट आर दी ऑफ दीज सर्कल्स. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट केस, सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. देखो भाई, एक थंब रूल है यहाँ पे, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थंब रूल, 5 स्टार दे दो इसको थंब रूल को. What is the general equation of a circle? We have seen in the last video is it is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is a general form of a equation. Now just by looking at this equation, how you will know that this circle is passing through origin or not? Make a note that if this c is equals to 0, then I can definitely say this equation or this circle is passing through origin. Okay, means what? Suppose you have the equation x square plus y square plus 4x minus 3y is equals to 0. This equation, this circle is definitely passing through origin because इस पे जो constant है ना, ये constant directly 0 है. So whenever this c is 0, I say the circle is passing through origin. Means what? For the case 1 you will be having this form of a circle where your c is going to be 0. Okay, so let's understand. So ये हो गया भाई अपना first trick, ये first concept हो गया. So let's understand the equation of this circle. Okay, चलो भाई, it is origin, no doubt it is 0 comma 0. Suppose this circle is making m intercept on x-axis and intercept on y-axis, then can you tell me what will be the coordinate of the center? You know that one property is whenever you draw a perpendicular from the center on the chords, this becomes the perpendicular bisector. Means what? The first part is equals to second part, this part is equals to this part is equals to this. Means what? Ye becomes the perpendicular bisector. So if it is m, this part is m by 2, this part is n by 2, ये वाला हो गया मेरा n by 2, this is n by 2 and the next part is also n by 2. So can you give me the coordinate of this center? सेंटर के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होंगे? सेंटर के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर वेरी इजी. दिस पॉइंट इज व्हाट? इट इज m/2 ओनली. So center coordinates becomes m/2 comma n/2. Okay, so whenever they give you the intercepts made by the circle on the x-axis and y-axis, just take half of that, you will get the coordinate of a center. Okay, so ये हो गया मेरा coordinate of a center. ये हो गया c, ये आ गया मेरा c. So what will be the equation of this circle? What is the radius? How you get the radius? ये मेरा radius है. ये किसका ये कैसे निकालोगे? This is nothing but, so इसको मैं zoom करूँगा. अभी देखो ये वाला, ये ऐसा पार्ट है. So this is my radius. What is this value? This is nothing but n/2, and this is nothing but m/2, and this you have the perpendicular. So just make use of the Pythagorean theorem. So r square is equals to what? It is m/2 square plus n/2 square. This is my r square is. Then what will be the equation of a circle? See, for the equation of a circle you require 2 points. One is center and other is radius. If you have these 2 points, no one can stop to find out the equation of a circle. See, center पता है and radius भी पता है. So we can easily find out the equation of a circle, which is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square as a shifted circle. So x minus h, what is h value? Is m/2 whole square plus y minus k whole square. K is what? It is n/2 whole square is equals to r square. So I will substitute this r square as it is. So what? This is the equation of a circle. That's it. Don't mug up this formula. Concept पे ध्यान दो. X minus m/2 whole square plus y minus n/2 whole square equals to r square. So if you substitute r value, you will get the final equation of a circle. Okay, so this is the first case. Second case, let's see. Case number 2 is circle touches abscissa. So I already told you x-axis is abscissa, y-axis is ordinate. Now if your circle is touching to abscissa, can you give me the coordinate of this? Suppose this h comma k are the coordinate of the circle. Then what will be the radius of this circle is? सर्कल निकालना है मतलब आपके पास 2 पॉइंट होना चाहिए. एक तो सेंटर होना चाहिए, दूसरा आपका रेडियस होना चाहिए. सेंटर वी आर कंसिडरिंग एज h comma k and it is touching to abscissa. So can you give me the value of r? If it is touching r, so this is my center. ये वाला हो गया मेरा रेडियस. So ये कितना है? This is k and this is h. So this part is what? This is a k. Okay, which is nothing but the radius. So r is nothing but k. So what will be the equation of this circle is? Again use the same formula. X minus h. What is h? It is the shifted circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. But in this case, what is r value is? It is k. So that's why the equation becomes what? It is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to k square. So how you will remember this? So whenever they give you touching to abscissa or touching to x-axis, take y coordinate of the center. Take y coordinate of this center. See here. Okay, very good. Next one, circle touches to ordinate. किधर है सर्कल? इधर आ गया मेरा सर्कल. Suppose h comma k is the coordinate of the center. Then what will be the radius? ये इतना पार्ट मेरा रेडियस है. इतना पार्ट कौन है? ये मेरा x कोऑर्डिनेट है ना. This is nothing but my h and this is k. You know the center, you know the radius. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. In this case, what is r is? It is the x coordinate of center, which is x square. So how you remember? If your circle is touching to x-axis, then take r as a y coordinate of a center. If circle is touching to y-axis, then take r as a x coordinate of center. That's it. It's very simple. Okay, जब भी आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे ना इसके ऊपर, you will understand in detail again. Now the fourth case is what? Now your circle is touching to both axes. Suppose this is the center h comma k. If circle is touching to both axes means what? This is my radius and this is my another radius, and ये भी रेडियस एंड ये भी रेडियस है. मतलब क्या है? this h and k value should be same or different? Should be same. So in this case your h is equals to k. So what will be the equation of a circle in this case is it is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to what is r. This is the same, this is equals to r again because you see यही r है अपना. This is equals to r square. Now I can write in terms of h or in terms of k, one and the same thing, or you can write this in terms of k. Okay, y minus k whole square is equals to k square, no problem. Okay, very good. Next one, case number 5th. What is that case is if your circle center is lying on the ordinate, means इसका coordinate center का coordinate क्या है? Generally center coordinates we take h comma k, but it is lying on the x axis means what? Coordinates will be what? It is h comma 0. इसका y coordinate 0 होगा ना? It is h comma 0 will be the coordinate of the center. What will be the radius? ये इतना part मेरा radius है, so radius becomes h. ये if it is h comma 0 then radius becomes h and it is passing through origin means इसका c0 होना चाहिए. Okay, so again for the circle what you should know? I should know c and r. C is what? It is h comma 0 and r is what? It is h. Write down equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So substitute करो x minus h whole square plus y minus k is 0 so it becomes y square is equals to r कितना है? r is h so it becomes h square. That's it. ये हो गया मेरा 5th case का circle. Isn't it so simple? Very simple. So definitely if you understand the previous one you can directly write the equation of this case. Your circle center is lying on the ordinate, so इसका coordinate क्या होगा? It is 0 comma k. इसके जो coordinates हो गए center के ये हो गए मेरे 0 comma k and it is again passing through origin. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to what is r value here? R is what? It is k. K is my r, so it is x square. So x square plus y minus k whole square is equals to k square. This is the equation of a circle passing through origin and center lying on the ordinate. Very very easy. So do you really need to remember these cases? ये देखो भाई, if you look your reference books na and notes, you will be ending with these formulas. And please don't mug up this formula. क्या मगअप करना है आपको? सिर्फ फिगर्स याद रखने हैं. ऑर्डिनेट को टच कर रहा है या कोऑर्डिनेट को एब्सिसा को टच कर रहा है और सर्कल पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन है. व्हाट आर दोज केसेस? दैट ओनली यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है. वाई आई एम नॉट सेइंग टू मग अप दिस बिकॉज यार भाई इंटीग्रेशन डेरिवेटिव में इतने n नंबर ऑफ फॉर्मूलेस हम लोग को याद रखना है. इसमें ये छोटे छोटे फॉर्मूलेस किधर याद रखोगे? वाई यू आर वेस्टिंग योर मेमोरी. ठीक है. ये प्रेशर तो इतना रहता है ना, माइनस की जगह पे प्लस हो ही जाता है एग्जाम में. दैट्स वाई फोकस ऑन द कंसेप्ट्स. ओके. जहाँ पे ट्रिक्स टिप्स रहेंगे ना वो तो अपने टूल्स है टाइम सेविंग के, वो तो हम लोग देखने ही वाले हैं, बट कंसेप्ट पे ध्यान दो. ओके. सो लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चंस. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस ना यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द concepts very easy. Let's see the first one. The equation of a circle which passes through origin and cuts off the intercept 3,4 from the positive part of the axis respectively. Okay, so क्या बोल रहा है? इंटरसेप्ट दिया है 3 and 4, मतलब ये हो गया मेरा m and ये हो गया मेरा n. देखो concept how you will apply. So this is x axis and this is y axis. x axis y axis. ये फिगर रॉन्ग हो गया. Figure wrong. Okay, see here. Circle is passing through origin. अभी आ गया मस्त. Assume it is a circle. ये पार्ट दिया उन्होंने 3 and ये पार्ट उन्होंने दिया है 4. Means what? This is a m comma n they have given. So what will be the center coordinates? Of course you know if I draw the perpendicular you will be getting the perpendicular bisector. So this becomes 3/2 and 4/2. ये हो गए मेरे center. See for the circle equation you should know 2 points. One is center and other is radius. So center मिल गया क्या? So center के coordinates आ गए भाई 3/2 and 4/2 which is nothing but 3/2, ये हो गया मेरे सेंटर के कोऑर्डिनेट्स. व्हाट इज द रेडियस? रेडियस इज नथिंग बट द पाइथागोरियन थ्योरम से इसका रेडियस निकाल सकते हैं. सो आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट इट इज 3/2 स्क्वायर दैट इज 9/4 प्लस ये हो गया मेरा 16/4. ओके, सो ये गया मेरा 25/4. ये हो गया मेरा आर स्क्वायर. सो फाइंड आउट द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल. एक्स माइनस एच 3/2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y minus k 4/2 whole square is equals to what? R square. R square is 25/4. So if you open this, what you will be getting is x square minus 3x plus 9/4 plus y square minus 4y plus 14/4 is equals to 25/4. ओके, सो क्या आ गया इधर? एक्स स्क्वायर ये हो गया प्लस वाई स्क्वायर ये भी आ गया, ये माइनस 3x एज इट इज. सी हियर 9/4 प्लस 16/4 इज 25/4 माइनस 4y प्लस 25/4 is equals to 25/4. See here 25/4 25/4 cancel. So what is final equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 3x minus 4y is equals to 0. That's it. This is my equation of circle. See, the circle is passing through origin, that's why you are not getting any term of C. Yes, very good. बहुत easy यार, थोड़ा सा कंसेप्ट पे ध्यान दो. अभी ये तो क्वेश्चंस है ना. See again, with the help of options now you can directly tick mark the correct option examiner. So that tricks and tips we'll see while we are looking at the previous year question paper analysis. Next, the equation of a circle whose center is and touches to x axis. So circle है, so you should know center coordinates and radius. So center coordinates उन्होंने already दे चुके हैं. 4,2 is the center coordinate. Touches to x axis बोला है. So figure निकालो कितना टाइम लग रहा है. Touches to x axis. So center coordinate is 4,2. 4,2. If touching to x axis, then what is the radius is y coordinate of center. So what is y coordinate of center is 2. So this is my radius. So radius आ गया 2, सेंटर के कोऑर्डिनेट्स पता है मुझे 4,2. आई कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ सर्कल. सो x माइनस 4 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 2 स्क्वायर इज 4. ये आ गया इधर 2 स्क्वायर. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 8x प्लस 16 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 4y प्लस 4 इक्वल्स टू 4. ये 4 कैंसिल हो गया. सो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 8x plus minus 4y plus 16 is equals to 0. This is the equation of required circle touching to x axis with coordinate of center 4,2. ओके, x axis को टच कर रहा है तो y कोऑर्डिनेट लेना है. अगर y axis को टच कर रहा है तो x कोऑर्डिनेट लेना है सेंटर का. व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ दिस सर्कल? ऑब्जर्वेशन करो. सो रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल इज व्हाट? इट इज 3. डोंट टेक -3. रेडियस इज डिस्टेंस. सो सेंटर पता है आपको. सेंटर इज व्हाट? सर्कल बोला है तो दो पार्ट है. सेंटर इज -3,5. रेडियस कितना है? इट इज 3. ओके, सो फाइंड आउट द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ सर्कल. सो इट इज x माइनस माइनस प्लस 3 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 5 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 3 का स्क्वायर इज 9. सो y इट इज ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव. सो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव है. सो इट इज x स्क्वायर प्लस 6x प्लस 9 प्लस y square minus 10y plus 25 equals to 9. See 9 cancel. So x square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y plus 25 equals to 0. This is the equation of circle. ऑप्शन में आपको एग्जाम में एक्चुअली ये भी मिल सकता है ऑप्शन और ये भी हो सकता है. बोथ द ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट. ओके, डेफिनेटली यू विल बी गेटिंग आइदर ऑफ दीज टू. Okay, it's very simple. Next one. Now the equation of a circle of radius 6 units. So r उन्होंने दे चुके हैं already is 6 units. Touches the coordinate axis in the second quadrant. देखो भाई second quadrant में टच करें. रेडियस 6 है. रेडियस 6 है. ये यहाँ पे 6 आ गया. ये 6 आ गया. Means this is the case. It is the circle. Okay, ये 6 है. ये second quadrant में है ना. And it is what? It is -6. So what will be the coordinate of the center is? It is -6, 6. ये आपको है ना कंसेप्ट पे याद रहे. कंसेप्ट से आपको ये समझ में आएगा कि सेंटर के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है. In this question they have given radius, we have to find out the center. So center is what? It is minus 6 comma 6 is the center and r is the 6. So what is the equation of circle is x minus minus plus 6 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equals to 6 square is 36. So x square plus 12x plus 36 plus y square minus 12y plus 36 equals to 36. 36 cancel. Final answer is plus 12x minus 12y plus 36 equals to 0. This is my final answer. कंसेप्ट पे ध्यान दो अगेन. ओके, सेंटर माइनस 6 प्लस 6 पे सेकेंड कोऑर्डिनेट में है, इसलिए अगर फर्स्ट में होता तो 6 कॉमा 6, थर्ड में होता तो व्हाट माइनस 6 एंड फोर्थ में होता तो इट इज प्लस 6 and minus 6 as the center coordinates. Okay, next one, the equation of a circle passes through origin, okay, whose center lies on x-axis of radius 3 units. निकालो भाई फिगर. Center is circle is passing through origin and center is lying on the x-axis and unit कितना है 3 units दिया है, ये फिगर है. ओके, सो ये हो गया मेरा रेडियस 3 है. सो इसका कोऑर्डिनेट कितना होगा? इट इज 3,0. सी सेंटर पता चल गया, रेडियस भी पता चल गया. आई कैन फाइंड आउट द इक्वेशन. सो इट इज x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equals to 3 square is 9. y coordinate 0, that's why I am getting k equals to 0. So y minus k is 0. Square is y square only. So it is x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square is equals to 9. See 9 cancel. So what I am getting is x square minus 6x plus y square is equals to 0. See, passing through origin है, that's why I am not getting any constant term in this equation. So this is my final answer, x square minus 6x plus y square equals to 0. Next, equation of a circle passes through origin whose center lies on the ordinate y axis पे अभी with radius 4 unit है. So draw the figure. In this case your circle is passing through origin and ये वाला मेरा ordinate पे है. So this part is, it is a 4 unit उन्होंने दिया, radius is 4 unit. So coordinates क्या हो गए? It is 0,4 is the coordinate concept. Okay, so center पता है, radius भी पता है. So find out the equation. So it is x minus h is 0. So square plus y minus 4 square is equals to r square is what? It is a 16. So x square plus y square minus 8y plus 16 equals to 16. Cancel हो गया. So x square plus y square minus 8y equals to 0. Again constant term 0. That's where circle is passing through origin. See, I am not giving again options, but in the question paper, actual question paper, you can directly cross mark the wrong answers. Okay, so with this we'll stop here. I hope you understood this whole video, this concept which is very very important but confusing. Okay, so if you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, family, juniors, seniors. Comment करके बताओ how you find this video, and definitely you will be subscribing to get more videos, conceptual videos, tricks and tips वाले भी videos. Okay, thank you.